is to understand that we are supposed to invoke divinity by lighting the lamp there, and therefore we should have planned this much better. I should have ensured that the oil was right filled into that lamp. I should have ensured that there was a candle. Sorry, sir, apologies for that. There was a candle which could have been lit first, which could have been given to the chief guest and the professor, so that it becomes easier for us to light the lamp and it looks nice also. But here we are fighting with a matchbox which failed to light up 2-3 times. We are fighting with that to light it up, and I had to apologize a few times. So relearning here is that we have to be perfectly prepared for whatever is going to happen and whatever is not going to happen. Whatever was going to happen was going to light the lighting of the lamp. Whatever was not going to happen was the fact that the oil not being there, the candle not being there, and possibly the matchstick not lighting up. We need to be prepared for these emergencies. So the relearning concept tells us that we have to relearn whatever we have learned so far. We might have been learning all our life. All our life we are expected to be learning. Every day that you spend at BSB and every day that you'll spend living, you need to be learning more and more. And this relearning process is where you decide, okay, I thought this is what it's supposed to be, and today I understand that this is not how it's supposed to be. I need to be better. I need to do something better. I need to plan something better. And I need to perform it. I need to act it out better than how I did till yesterday. That is the relearning process. Now, let me get to unlearning very quickly. I'm taking a lot of time again. Let me get to unlearning. So relearning, I've told you, we need to be prepared so that the act would have been much better and the divine invocation could have happened very, very faster, much faster than how it happened today. Now the unlearning part. The unlearning part from this action. The action is invoking divinity, starting of a function, inauguration of a function. When we start unlearning, when I look at your all faces today, the unlearning process that I would have taken from here is that I would have done away with this lamp completely. With your permission, sirs. I would have done away with this lamp completely. I would have requested all of you to smile. All of you to put up a great smile on your face and light up this hall, light up this room that we are sitting in, and thereby invoke divinity, bring God into us, amongst us. That is unlearning. Unlearning is the process where I accept to myself that whatever I knew till yesterday was wrong. It's not enough. The lamp is not enough because the lamp might not light up. But the face we all have, and the smile comes from here. So if you have the desire to bring up the smile from here and bring it onto our face, that's more than sufficient to invoke divinity and bring light to our lives. Thank you so much for listening to me. Welcome all of you.
Thank you, sir. For a moment, we went back to our classes. Mr. Sunil D. Anto started his career from Pantaloons. He was a manager at corporate communication. And I don't want to say more about him, as you will come to know more about him in coming days. Thank you, sir.
At BSB, you should be wondering what we get. What at the end of the day we get is a diamond, shining bright, cut from 72 edges, ready to take up the challenge of corporate world. Now I would request Prashant to deliver us, to address the gathering regarding the experience in BSB.
With all of your permission, I also want to take some 5 minutes of your time. Can you grant it, please? Thank you very much. Yeah. Honorable guest, Mr. Hemachandra, sir. Respected Director of our college, SP Reddy, sir. And respected Associate Professor Sunil D. Anto, sir. Staff, professors and crew of Bangalore School of Business. Present managers, all of you, and all the future managers who joined us today. A fabulous welcome to all of you. Thank you. It is both an honor as well as a privilege to stand before you and welcome to our BSB community. If you are anything like me, when I started, You are sitting there feeling a million different emotions and having million different questions. Did I make the right choice? Without a doubt. Is this the worth the sacrifices I have made to be here? Absolutely. I immensely feel that you can bring something new and exciting to this diverse learning community. So, welcome to all of you once again. I imagine some of you are just like me, sitting there, knowing what you want to do exactly and to stick up on the topic what you choose on. I think that's really great. Please give them a round of applause. But I also encourage you to open to new ideas, directions and chapters wherever you go across. You are learning from the greatest in the field and the brightest surrounding you. You will be undoubtedly challenged to think about new things or face the new things in a new way. Who knows, something may pique your interest. I came to BSB expecting an education, but I am confident enough that I will take thousands more than that. I suspect the same will be true in a due course of time to all of you, my friends. I suspect the same will happen to you. And the thing which we get in BSB, the faculty guidance or the placement guidance, is no other in any B school of Bangalore. Every day I learn from my professors and my peers, feel supported by an amazing group of colleagues, friends and faculty who guides us always and all the time, even at the night time, even at 10:45. When milestones are accomplished, wedding dates are set and children are born, there will be grundles to celebrate with us. In the same way, the faculty members, the colleagues and your seniors as well are there for you at any time, at any point of time to help you out in any of the matter, either professionally or personally. You can call upon us for any of the help. We are happy to help you at any time. And if life throws you a curveball, the entire BSB community or the crew or the staff is there to help you out in guiding the things and to offer support around you and offer a shoulder to cry on your bad things. And look around you. The people sitting around you will be your friends, your colleagues. And remember, friends, most important thing is that they will be your mentors to learn from a very good thing. Don't hesitate to call upon them for anything. As I already told, call them for your professional work, because all of you are new to Bangalore. You can call them even personally to any help. We are ready to help you. They will be your best source of support and they will help you in any of the matter. Well, coming to my own experience, I thought to share a few of them with you. See, when I was asked to give my first presentation, I was shy. I didn't like to speak in the class and never felt my ideas were taken into consideration. To speak in front of large audience, the people or my friends itself is out of question. Yes, all of you friends, now you can see me as an illustration of Bangalore School of Business, how it supports a person who is shy enough to speak in front of a crowd from before 1 year, and now how I am speaking with you. So please give a round of applause for management for supporting us a lot in bringing us this. Thank you very much. As I just eagerly awaited of the last book in the Harry Potter story, in the same way I eagerly await my completion of MBA and for my next chapter in my life. But I'm sure I will be disappointed, because I was just disappointed when I finished the Harry Potter story. But I'm sure, confident enough that I'll be more disappointed when I leave this amazing faculty and students. So I like to be in touch with the Bangalore School of Business ever in my life for that. I know I also will be there helping you all, and all our seniors will be helping you at any time. I conclude by offering you some simple advice. Shall I give? Thank you very much. For how to make the best of experience at BSB. Share your knowledge and skills. Don't keep them to yourself. This will be telling by everyone, but this is the most important concepts which you have to keep up in your minds. Challenge yourself and your peers on a daily basis. Absorb everything, and more above all, have fun. Have fun in learning new things. As a boy, Harry Potter told that he has the power to change the lives of people in the Wizardian community. I strongly feel and say confidently that all of us, not only the people, the citizens of India, have the ability to change the lives of the people, the lives of the faculty, lives of the members who are all present here to shine in the future. And I also suggest some very important things qualities that you or me or any student in this world should possess are 6 of them. Like I want to start with, first be honesty, next is adaptability and ability to learn new things, emotional stability, and to empathize others. These are the things which we feel that we should have in our blood to be successful in the future. So my dear all young managers, we are there to support you at any time, and you can feel free to ask us any questions, any project reports, anything. We will be helping you out throughout our life. Thank you very much. Thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity.